squat is generally performed from the floor, so you put your knee down and then you lift off. However, if you're choosing not to go down to the floor, that bothers your knee, another option, just get into a staggered stance. Weight is evenly distributed between both legs, and then bring your arms up here. Make sure that your back muscles are engaged, holding those arms up. I'm here, and then you can practice getting down lower and lower to wherever you're comfortable with. You can also use tonal for assistance. Hold on to the sides of tonal and send one leg back. So if you need help balancing, this is another option for you to do to modify the iso split squat. So while you're doing this, pretend you're doing some spring cleaning, and that spot that you need to get it, it's right here. It's not quite standing, it's not quite kneeling, it's like right here in the middle, and you gotta hold that position. You gotta be strong so that you can clean that spot up right there.